In this short tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how we can evaluate each one of these log expressions using this particular graphing device. What I want to show you is that each one of these has a base that's different than 10. If we rely only on this button, this is a log with a base of 10. That is the default. So we want to identify it as having a base of 14. To do that, I'm going to hit Math. I'm going to press up 3 times. The base is 14. The number behind it is 5. And if I'm going to approximate to the nearest hundredth, I'd say 0.61 approximately. Now let's look at the second one. Again, I'm doing math, pressing up 3 times. The base is 3. I want to show you how the 2 must go behind. Notice if I forget about the 2 and I just put my finger over the top of it, it allows you to get an answer of 1.77 approximately. We're going to add 2 that to get 3.77. So how could I plug that in? We're going to hit get math, go up 3 times. The base is 3, the number behind is 7, and behind all of that, I'm going to add 2. This would be the correct answer for the second example, 3.77 approximately. Example number 3, hitting math, going up 3 times. My base is 2. The number behind it is 20, approximately 4.32. Now, when you don't see a base, it's a base of 10. So we have 2 options. We can simply hit log and then type in 7, or we can hit math, and a lot of people just get used to using this. When we don't see that number, it's not a hidden 1, it's a hidden 10. Notice how we do achieve the same answer. Now, when we look at the 4 examples below, they're becoming a little more difficult to plug in where we need to pay attention to detail. All right, so I have a base of 5. Now, this time the 2 is included with the 8, 1.43 approximately. Whenever I plug in a number that's a fraction in value, I'm going to put it in parentheses. So I'm going to plug in 1/2, placing it in parentheses, and then behind is going to be 6. We have approximately negative 2.58. Let's go on to the second to the last example. ln is the same as log base c, and I'm going to demonstrate how I could write both or type both into the calculator. So here's ln, natural log, and then in parentheses 5 minus 1. I could also plug this into the calculator as log base e. Now, where do we find the e? It is down here. Log base e. And then I need to, behind it, go 5 minus 1. And I think I don't need that parenthesis. There we go. And I should get the exact same answer. So log base e is equivalent to ln. And lastly, I'm typing in negative 2. And then I have a base that's different than 10. So I'm going to do math up 3 times. My base is 7 and behind is 29. Now notice the 1, it needs to be written in parentheses or we assume it has to go behind. So this expression is approximately negative 2.42.